Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. I'm Ritika, and in today's video we are diving into the top 4 plugins to display popular posts on your WordPress website. These plugins help highlight your most engaging content, increase visibility and boost user interaction. Let's get started. Number 1, Jetpack. Jetpack is a powerful plugin developed by Automatic, the team behind WordPress.com. Along with its performance and security tools, Jetpack includes a built-in popular posts widget. This feature automatically showcases your most visited or liked posts, keeping your top content in front of your audience without any extra effort. Number 2, WordPress Popular Posts. This is one of the most well-known plugins for showing popular posts. It offers detailed customization options. You can display posts based on views, comments, or set custom filters. The widget is highly flexible and even supports posts thumbnails, helping you match the design with your theme while promoting the best articles. Number 3, WP Tab Widget. If you want to save space while showcasing more content, WP Tab Widget is perfect. It allows to show popular posts in a tabbed layout along with recent posts and comment. Lightweight and fast, this plugin is ideal for keeping your sidebar clean and interactive. Number 4, Post Hits Counter. Looking for something simple and effective? Post Hit Counter displays the number of views per post, letting readers know what's trending at your site. It's super easy to use and you can show hit counts directly on posts or in a widget. So there you have it, 4 great plugins to display popular posts on your WordPress website. Whether you want a full-featured solution or a lightweight widget, these tools can boost your site's engagement and improve users' experience. We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Buddy Developers for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.